Planning engineer roles and responsibilities. A very crucial chapter. In this we'll know what is the main responsibilities of a planning engineer in a project. Usually when I start my chapters, I just go through a brief summary of previous chapters so that we can be in a flow. It is kickoff meeting day. The consultant team is there. Our contractor team is there. Their project managers, design engineers, everyone are there here. The project manager has facilitated his whole team to the kickoff meeting. What is kickoff meeting? First day of the school, the first day of the project. It is the start of the project. Kick means giving a start. So as we have already discussed, both the team members introduced to each other, and then the first question which has been asked in this meeting is to a planning engineer. The project manager of consultant asks a question to the project manager at the contractor side that we need a document called time schedule or work schedule, and this has to be given by the planning engineer. Time schedule, or also called as work schedule. What is this document? Time schedule, the backbone of planning engineering. Time schedule means the planning engineer will be providing a document in which it is clearly written what work will be done in how many days, from which date to what date, with how much of manpower. टाइम शेड्यूल एक ऐसा डॉक्यूमेंट है जिसमें पूरी डिटेल रहती कि ये एक्टिविटी, ये काम हम इतने दिन में, ये डेट से ये डेट तक इतने आदमियों के साथ करने वाले हैं. हर पूरे प्रोजेक्ट में जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज़ है, पूरे प्रोजेक्ट की जितनी भी डिटेल है, उसकी ये पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन ये डॉक्यूमेंट में रहती. सो द क्लाइंट वांट्स, client, consultant or consultancy, whatever we can term as, it's all the one. They first ask the project manager to provide with this document, and the project manager immediately looks at the planning engineer and say, when are you going to provide with this document? Then the planner will say it will take 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever the time frame. Then if he says 2 weeks, they will negotiate him to 10 days. No, we need this as soon as possible. This document is very crucial, and we will talk now why this document is very crucial. They will be very anxious. The consultant will be very anxious taking specifically this document. So the planning engineer finally, he get negotiated. He will say, okay, fine, as per your request, we'll provide in 7 to 8 days this document. So see, we will take an example. We can see in this picture the client has visited the construction site to know the status of his project. The paper, the document handed over to him by the contractor side, this document is being given by the planning engineer. The planning engineer is the one who provides with the details of the project, that what is the status of the project, project का status क्या है, progress कैसा चल रहा. Planning engineer is the only डेजिग्नेशन इन द होल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चार्ट. पूरी टीम में यही एक इंजीनियर रहता जो अपनी टीम को और क्लाइंट को बताता कि प्रोजेक्ट का स्टेटस क्या है, कितना परसेंट खत्म हुआ काम और प्लान कितना करे थे. ही इज द ओनली वन हु वर्क्स ऑन अ सॉफ्टवेयर. प्राइमोरा P6 पे सिर्फ एक प्लानिंग इंजीनियरिंग काम करता. इवन द प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर वर्क्स ऑन SAP on SAP, but however it depends upon the size of the company. If it is a big company, they keep SAP with them. If it is small, SAP is not there. So it depends. But for the planning engineer, be it a big company or small company, regardless of its size, the planner has to work on a software called Primavera P6. Even the planning engineer works on MS project, but nowadays everyone are using Primavera P6. So now we will see the main responsibility of a planning engineer. Example, for example, this is one destination. Example, this is Hyderabad, okay, HYD. This is another destination. Example, you can say a state in India, Goa, okay. Some friends has organized a party and they told to their another group of friends that we have reached here, and even you have to reach over here. We have bought your tickets. We have to attend a very big event. Don't be delayed, and we are waiting for you. Make a comprehensive plan, make a good plan, and let us know when you are going to start and how is the timeline of your journey. आप कब शुरू कर रहे हैं और हमको पूरा ब्लूप्रिंट दो, पूरा बताइए आप कब कहाँ पर रह रहे, कहाँ रुक रहे, कैसा आ रहे. See, we are talking on the broader spectrum. बड़े पैमाने पे बात करें, so we'll be taking those examples. Okay, for example, now here we'll talk about the friends over here. Okay, there are 2-3 friends, and usually you see when the plan is being made, one person will take the charge. A person will be smart, and every friend will say that you take this responsibility, and we feel comfortable if you take this responsibility because he's a good planner. So he will make a plan. Okay, what will be the plan? They will start at 8 a.m. from Hyderabad, and there is a X destination and there is a Y destination. This is the final destination. These are the points. Okay, starting from here, point 1, point 2, X, Y, and destination. Okay, this is 3 p.m. and this is 9 p.m. and this is early morning 6 a.m. So what is the plan? They are making a plan. They have planned that we will start from here at this time, we will reach here at this time, the kilometers from this area to this area is this. If we go with this speed, they are doing complete analysis and reach to a conclusion that approximately 3 p.m. will be the time we will be reaching here. Let's say you can say they can go to the Google and they will check. Okay, then coming here at 9 and reaching here at 6 a.m. They convey this message to their friends. See, this is our plan, we'll be coming, and they are waiting for them. Okay, now what will happen in real, we'll see. Okay, they have started in real 8 a.m. Okay, this is fine. And unfortunately, they have reached here at 4 p.m. instead of 3 p.m. First they made a plan, comprehensive plan, sitting on the table, बैठ के टेबल पे मीटिंग कर रहे पूरे कि ये टाइम पे निकलेंगे, यहाँ पे ऐसा पहुँचेंगे, इधर ऐसा पहुँचेंगे, गोवा फाइनली पहुँच जाएंगे. सब प्लान हो जाता प्रोजेक्ट्स में. फर्स्ट देयर इज ओनली प्लान. रिमेंबर, ओनली प्लान. पहले बहुत कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव इन डिटेल पूरी टीम मेंबर के साथ एक प्लान बनता. वो प्लान बन गए बाद वो सामने वाले को प्लान बता देते, क्लाइंट को या ये ग्रुप अपने ये फ्रेंड्स जो यहाँ पे ग्रुप है इनको बता दिए कि हम ये टाइम पे पहुँचने वाले हैं. उसके बाद जब प्लान पूरा 100% पूरा प्लान करके नाउ इट इज टाइम दे हैव टू लीव फ्रॉम देयर होम. ओके, सो 8 AM दे हैव लेफ्ट एज पर देयर प्लान. Here instead of reaching at 3 p.m. they have reached at 4 p.m. So here what they will do, okay, they will inform to their friends that instead of 3 we have reached here at 4, and even they are very angry. They are saying if you do this, if your performance will be bad, then you cannot reach here on time and you will be late for your event. So what they will do here, they will do a performance analysis. यहाँ पे performance analysis होता कि हम क्यों लेट हुए, क्या वजह है, परफॉर्मेंस कैसा था, अच्छा था, सोचे क्या थे, हुआ क्या. तो मालूम होता परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस में परफॉर्मेंस बैड था, परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा नहीं था, सोचे थे कुछ अच्छा लेकिन रियलिटी में अच्छा नहीं हुआ और उसकी वजह से डिले हो गए. देन दे विल डू डिले एनालिसिस. यूजुअली अ प्लानिंग इंजीनियर विल डू दिस. फर्स्ट द प्लानिंग इंजीनियर विल डू अ परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, देन ही विल डू डिले एनालिसिस. तो यहाँ फ्रेंड्स क्या कर रहे, परफॉर्मेंस तो देख लिया, बैड है मालूम हो गया, डिले एनालिसिस क्या है वजह डिले होने की. दे रियलाइज दे स्टॉप फ्रीक्वेंट टाइम्स टू टेक पिक्चर्स, टू टेक द फोटोग्राफ्स. They have stopped at frequent points to take the pictures. They stopped for going to the washrooms, for their food, snacks, etc., etc. So they realize that what was the delay analysis, and then they will do next is first, second, third, forecast analysis. Okay, here they will forecast. If we go by this way, we have been delayed over here. If we go by this way, then we'll be completely delayed. We will not reach here by 6 AM. Complete पूरी trip delay हो जाने वाली है. So a planning engineer likewise do the same analysis on the project. He will do the performance analysis, delay analysis and forecast analysis, and he will project the entire information, the data to his project team and to the client. So we'll talk over here. अब यहाँ क्या हो रहा? Now they have realized their delays and they have decided no, they are going to do some corrective actions. What they will do, that we are not going to stop. अब कहीं नहीं रुकने वाले हैं, अब सीधा जाने वाले हैं. And they are going to speed their car. They will say अभी तुम चलाए थे गाड़ी, अभी तुम चलाना, तुम अच्छे परफेक्ट ड्राइवर है, कहीं नहीं रुकना है, एक साथ चलना है. Only for washroom will stop, but not for the pictures, photography or snacks or anything. Now they are serious with their move. Okay, now they have reached here. Okay, they have been delayed. Now they have done various corrective actions. Okay, and also they have done some preventive. They have taken some preventive measures also. Example, which route to follow, कहाँ पे ट्रैफिक रहती, कौन सा रास्ता अच्छा है, हाईवे लेना या कुछ टोल लेना, क्या लेना, किससे जल्दी जा सकते हैं, क्या अवॉइड करना है. दे विल डू द प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स ऑल्सो. See, all these things even we do in our daily life if we are working on a professional front. Okay, this planning engineering is not a rocket science, or it's not full of formulas like how if we do for example a HVAC course, there are a lot of formulas in plumbing, in electrical cable sizing, designing, in quantity surveyors. In all these courses there are a lot of formulas to be memorized, but here there is nothing such. Only your logical application will be utilized, which you usually do in your day-to-day life. See, planning engineer was not planning was not only for engineers specifically. In recent time, like 15 years ago, 15 साल पहले कुछ bodies आए and they told big bodies that only engineer should be reserved for this work as a planning engineer, in especially only in construction industry. He should have a knowledge of construction, he should be engineer. Before that, उससे पहले anyone was a planning engineer. There was nothing such planning engineer, it was a planner, it was a scheduler, ऐसा नाम था. Project controls ऐसा नाम था. But later when this seat got reserved only for an engineer in construction industry as planning engineer. उससे पहले MBA, MCA, BCom और इंटर वाले भी जिनको experience है, they used to plan for a project. So there is everything is logical in this. There should be a smart person and everyone is smart enough in their life. It's just that they have to utilize their skills. Okay. So now anyway coming back over here, they have again started. Okay, and they have applied corrective actions and preventive measures. And by applying these corrective actions and preventive measures, taking a better route, going on a good speed, not stopping anywhere for the pictures or for snacks, now they have successfully, they have reached here at 8:55 PM, means 5 minutes before their expectation. So here now they are again on track. So by applying these strategies, ये करने की वजह से क्या हुआ, यहाँ पे बेहतरी हो गई ये लोग की. So the planning engineer will inform to the project team that please do this, perform good, and the reason for our delay was that you have done this and this and this, and he will say that if we are going with this track, then we will be delayed on our project. So he will give all the preventive measures and corrective actions. Not only him, the entire team will sit and they will look at their mistakes, they will get lessons